Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for meta platforms with ticker FB. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the present accounts. Let's get started. On a higher time frame, let's take a look at the RSI first. On a higher time frame, we can see that we've had this trend line here from the tip top of all-time highs around 30th of August 2021 or around September, wherever this top was. We can see this trend line has been broken on these lows or after these lows, indicating that something here could be done. Now, on a daily time frame, if we zoom out, we can have still this very high time frame trend line coming downwards. Now, this is not really something that I can get to Elliott Wave that easily, but is definitely something that is worth noting. At least we have had so many different touches on this trend line that it is a very major one and really respected. So if we want to be bullish on this one, I would be expecting this trend line to get broken and possibly even back tested. Now, today on Elliott Wave stuff, I'm going to be focusing more on this correction, as we have covered the higher time frame count before as well. Now, this is the primary one that I'm running with, saying that we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Wave 3 coming to 2.618 extension of the wave 1, which is a good area to look at. Now, after that point, we have had a possibility of wave 4 being done here and a wave 5 possibly completed. Now, that would indicate or support the count or the idea where we had the weekly trend line coming down and correcting, and something has ended here. Now, there are other possibilities here as well, as we see on the lower time frames, even on daily, we can see that these trend lines basically here are contracting. Now, that would indicate some kind of triangle, and that is definitely a possibility here. We can see that we have this count here where we, instead of wave 4 ending here, we would have the wave 4 ending somewhere here for the wave E. We have invalidation points here on, let me move this wave 5 out of the way. So we have the invalidation here at the B wave around $169 and invalidation here at $224. Before making the E wave, we have now created the D wave here. Let's adjust this bit, and now again looking for this E wave to end and then look for one more dump downwards. We do have some targets here, depending of course, are we going to play out this as some kind of a triangle or not, but we'll see about that. This target already hit here, so we could be looking at some kind of bullish structure. Let's take a look at what we could expect as a target if we are playing the triangle here. Start from top, measuring the wave 1 length, and let's just use the trend line here, as we don't know the better targets here or better areas here, as wave 4 has not completed yet. So wave 3 has extended, so these are the targets. Basically, first one is just saying that if we are taking out, we need to take out this low here to create some kind of divergence here. Now, let's see. B wave, yeah, there is definitely possibility for divergence here. We do have divergences here, so it is possible. Let's see on daily. Don't have really clear divergence between these, so I would be looking like or I would be playing this triangle rather than saying that wave 5 has ended here where the B wave is currently at. So I would be definitely looking at a dump down here. First target is at $166, the second one at $145, and the last one at $116. Now, do we have some support there? Basically, this low is supporting here at 1.618. Again, more resistance here. Let's take a look at volume, if that is telling us anything. Some volume bumps here, nothing major. There is this larger volume node here that we are at right now, basically, where we had these previous lows at as well. 2.618 has a nice volume node here as well with these previous lows. Now, that being said, I would be still looking for the lower degree wave structure here for a 5-way move before trying to get along here. But yeah, if they are lining up pretty well with these targets, I'm definitely going to be taking a shot, trying to get and ride this wave B. Now again, this is just the wave B, just because we have the 5-way structure coming down here. So definitely not going to be the end of the correction for the whole time. Now this could be rallying all the way up here around $338. That is basically the maximum, because we can't have the zigzag pattern getting up ahead of these, or above these, I guess. So what else did we have? We had some local structures here saying that if we do have this as an ended, then we can take a look at the local structures here. And we have this bearish one. Again, if wave 5 is not ended here and instead it is just a wave 1, we could be looking at this as a 1-2, 1-2, and even a possible 1-2, but this looks like 3-way structure, so we could be this could be some kind of a 3-way structure here, something like this, where wave 2 would be here. But again, flats are not that common in wave 2s, but this middle structure here looks more like a 3-way structure than a 5-way. But definitely this is not really clear either. We could have this as some kind of a 3-way structure here to create some kind of WXY pattern here and get the wave 2 just a bit higher than these highs. But yeah, that is basically the bearish scenario. And now the bullish one, instead of correcting downwards, we have actually completed something here, and now we would have a look at this as a wave 1, wave 2 with 3-way structure coming down, and now we would be looking for wave 3, 4 and 5. And again, either this could be the A wave or wave 1, most likely A wave if we are looking at this bullish scenario. We could be looking again at another zigzag going up higher for the B wave. But we'll see what happens. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to share on Meta platforms. If you have other accounts you would like to share or have an opinion for, there's link to my Discord server in the description as well. Also, if you would like me to update a certain asset, let me know as well in the comments of the YouTube video. For now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you back on the channel and video soon. Bye bye.